Welcome to the Tay and Britt channel. So today we'll be doing a taste testing challenge.
And we have to put the blindfold on. It's really not like a bandana. We got a whole scarf because that's all we could find.
Have to double it up, you know.
So, but I'm gonna go once and she gonna go once. But we have sour cream, mayonnaise, barbecue sauce, hot sauce. It's gonna be an obvious one, duh. And then honey mustard, strawberry filling, ranch, and syrup.
Yeah, we left that cinnamon out of this challenge because that last challenge wasn't.
That was it. So
it's cinnamon.
Let's start.
Just playing.
We gotta rinse this off. And you gonna get this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's mine.
Yep. And we're gonna put it on these two. And we gotta keep it like that. Alright. So I'm gonna go first for this challenge. I'm scared because I don't like to put stuff in my mouth and I don't know what it is. But how we gonna do it, Brittany? You want me to put it on my finger and then I rub it on your tongue?
Girl, get your... I don't know. What you mean?
Just kidding.
You're so stupid.
We can do it like that. It can just go like that.
I gotta make sure you don't see nothing.
I
girl.
know.
You gotta...
Kids, do not do this at home.
Shut the hell up.
How old are you?
Oh, I don't see nothing. Okay. Ooh.
Right here.
Okay.
Okay.
You gotta take it from above my mouth.
So this is what I got right here. Let's see if she can guess this.
I'm not looking. I'm just trying to get it from the top of my mouth. Okay.
Oh,
This is scary. Put it in my hand. Okay. I'm scared. Okay.
Go ahead. It's up to
What is that?
You gotta guess.
Is that honey mustard?
No. And wrong.
Hey, hold on. Go back.
So easy.
Ranch.
Yep.
You didn't put enough in my mouth.
1 point for Taylor.
Okay. Now it's your turn.
My eyes tight.
Get around your big ass head.
Oh, girl.
Okay. So I'm gonna do this right here.
Oh, I hope she
Okay.
like this.
Open it.
That's sour cream.
Okay, well, just
Ah.
to let y'all know, whoever gets a 10 point, they win. Shut up, Brittany and Taylor.
Stop. Okay. That was that. Okay. That's it. You got that sour cream on your tongue. Take that off.
Jesus.
Dirty toss.
Okay.
Tastes like straight up cheese.
Put that over there, because we already used them too. Ranch and sour cream.
Okay. Can't see me.
That, guys. Ooh, she's gonna be barfing.
I'm scared. I think you're gonna put something nasty in my mouth because I'll put something in my mouth.
Guess what it is?
What is it? Come on. What is it? What is it? What is it? Is she really? It is mayonnaise. You good? You good? You alright?
Oh, I don't like mayonnaise myself.
Aaron, do not hide the honey mustard.
Why are you loud?
I was hiding something. Why you
Well, you got to babysit and make a video at the same time.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Please give me that strawberry.
Okay, I'm next.
Be nice to me.
Wow. Ooh.
You and all this horse hair.
This is so far, people.
Okay. This one will be a good one.
Oh God.
So far. But now look what she about to put in her mouth.
Why do I feel like it's gonna be hot sauce?
It's not gonna be hot sauce.
It's not.
It's not. Why do you think it's hot sauce?
Oh God! Please don't give me a mixture.
It's not. Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm. Barbecue sauce. Hot sauce.
That's so far.
Close.
I'm sorry the bed is in the y'all way. Okay, see
the
that
dick is so
thing.
funny.
Yeah, these are the rest. Guys, that was funny. Ah, yeah.
Ah,
That was hilarious.
okay. Ugh. Ew, mustard tastes so nasty on its own.
Okay.
Y'all got ice? You got ice?
Oh God, mustard tastes disgusting on its own. I never knew it was that nasty.
Wait, yeah, put it. It's not tight enough for you.
Okay.
It's gonna slide down before you put it in my mouth.
Stop!
Take this one on. We're gonna add some other stuff from the other refrigerator.
Stop messing with Sophia.
Where the? There, now I can't see him. Ooh, my eyes tight. You better hurry up. My nose gonna fall off.
I know.
Bro, don't give me that, bro.
What is it?
My lip is burning. Oh my god.
Hot lip is on fire.
And then it bubbled.
That's hilarious, bro.
Bo, get out the way.
Oh no! Oh no!
No, y'all can.
Oh no!
That's for it too. You can put that in.
We're gonna get some more stuff too.
I seen go. Me. Bo. If y'all want to see our puppy, y'all can't see it. Too
Hush.
bad, too sad. Hush. Little girl. I ain't living like you, girl.
That's nasty. I'm not
That's
eating
so
that egg.
far.
Okay, I want you to know
yeah,
this.
I to get another point. Aaron, clean her thing.
Where the egg at?
Same thing. Sriracha.
Oh! Shut up.
Where the egg at? Ooh, this gonna be. I'm not tasting it, so.
That's bruh.
We gonna do
Ew, the way it dropped
This
sounded nasty.
and some egg in the egg.
Alright, so now we added some more stuff. We got soy sauce, duck sauce, egg.
And
Okay.
this. Soy sauce.
You ain't gotta get egg. Since you said, yo, I don't need you to spit shit back on me. Okay.
Dad, did your lip still burn? Okay. Could you see now?
No.
How about that? These are things so. Wait till you won't get back.
Lord, I just pray that whatever I get next agrees with my insides, cause no.
You ready?
No.
Move, Aaron!
Y'all ready? Ew, and it's dripping.
Ready?
Is that the egg?
6.
Mm-hmm.
So
You
far.
lucky it still tastes like nothing. Mm-hmm. 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 Yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, that hot sauce stank.
I need to see if I can find some milk.
I'll help
I'm
you,
good.
Taylor. Taylor, I got something. You better have some. What's that?
Who's drinking vinegar?
Oh shoot. Girl, whoever give it to the person.
Vinegar.
Alright, this time I'm not gonna give you vinegar. I promise you. I promise it is. It's on everything. What?
Nothing. I said I don't believe you.
Okay.
Taylor, put the vinegar in the cup. We added
No,
more
we're not gonna
stuff.
open that right now.
Y'all ready?
Taylor,
Yeah.
add the vinegar in the cup.
Well,
Here,
Vinegar.
let's do this.